Looking at the price action on USD CHF right now, price action was unable to break this support key level zone to the downside. When price made an attempt to break it for the first time, the buyers pushed the price action to the upper side. Then the price came back again. The second time, the buyers pushed the price action to the upper side, and the sellers pushed the price to break this same support. The third time, the buyers pushed the price action to the upper side. For a very long time, there was a serious battle going on between the buyers and the sellers around the zone. Healthy bullish candlestick here signify victory on the buyers' side, and this healthy bullish candlestick momentum represents that the buyers are heavily present in the market. And as a professional technical analyst, what are we supposed to do? Is to trade along with the ruler of the market. And the ruler of the market right now are the buyers, because they won the battle between the sellers and the buyers at this support key level zone. After figuring out our buyers on the 4 hours time frame, the next thing is to establish our point of interest where we want to take possible buy opportunity. So the next thing is to change the chart to line chart and establish zone where price has been rejected in the past. We have price rejected around the zone here, price reacted around the zone here, price reacted around the zone here. So this 3 key zone is going to be our point of interest. Right now, let's change the line chart to candlestick chart. This key level zone is going to be our point of interest to take possible buy opportunity. And why are we taking buy opportunity? Because the price action reacted here once upon a time, the price action reacted here, the price reacted here, and there is high chances that if price come back next time, the price is going to respect this zone, and we are going to position ourselves here as buyers to take possible buy opportunity to the upper side. In today's video, we're going to use 5 minutes as our entry time frame. On the 5 minute time frame that we are using as our execution time frame, looking at the price action on the entry time frame, which is 5 minute time frame right now, you agree with me that the sellers are the one in charge of the market on 5 minute time frame right now. Why? Because price pushed down to this key level zone, then price gave us a lower high, a lower low. Then we're expecting a new lower high to form to our point of interest. Then we're going to have a new lower low around this zone here. Currently on 5 minute time frame, sellers are the one in charge of the market, and we can't take any trade opportunity right now because the price is here to mitigate our point of interest around this zone. This is where patience is very, very important. You have to be patient and wait for price action to sell down to point of interest before you take possible buy opportunity. And how are we going to execute this trade? We're going to use our counter downtrend line by connecting a valid 2 points together. We have a valid point around this zone here and also a valid point around this zone that we can use to establish our downtrend line. The purpose of this downtrend line is for us to take proper entry so that we will not enter the wrong trade at the wrong time or the right trade at the wrong time. In as much the price action is still trading below this entry criteria here, we are not going to execute. We are going to wait for price action to break this trend line to the upper side so that we can take possible buy opportunity. So let's play the candlestick. The price action right now is selling down to our point of interest with heavy momentum. If you study the candlestick that sold down to this point of interest right now, it was healthy bearish candlestick with high momentum. Now we want to exercise a lot of patience and wait for price action to invalidate this our counter trend line to the upper side. Finally, the price action broke our counter trend line to the upper side. And we're going to position our stop loss below here. Then we target twice of our risk to reward. We are using 20 pips on this trade or 18 pips on this trade. Then we're going to target twice of our risks on this trade. Let's play the candlestick. Price action is moving towards our point of interest in our favor. Price is back to our entry zone. Then price is moving in our favor. Now we are back to profit. One thing I want you to understand here is that price action can't just move in one direction. Price will move in an opposite direction. Then price will also move in a pullback direction. Price can't just move in one direction to the upper side. So whenever the price action is giving you a retracement or pullback phase, just understand that the price action is just retracing, not that the price is going to trade against your position. So let's continue playing the candlestick right now. The price action is moving against our entry right now. We are now down in negative. Price is at the stop loss zone. So don't panic. The price action will still go in our favor. Now we are back in profit. We are back in profit. The price action is heading towards our take profit key level zone. If you find value in today's video, don't forget to like, share the video with friends and family so that they can also learn from this exclusive Forex video tutorial. And if you want to connect with us on our social media handles, follow us on TikTok, Loaded Forex Academy, Instagram, Loaded Forex Academy, YouTube, Loaded Forex Academy. And if you want to be a part of our free Signal community on Telegram, search for Loaded Forex Academy. And I will see you next time, guys.